If you want to record the screen on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then all you have to do is simply go to Quick Settings. So let's go to Quick Settings, and then we're going to unfold this panel, and at least by default you should be able to find the screen recorder button over here. So we can tap on it in order to open the settings of the screen recorder before we start recording. So you can choose which sound you want to record and whether you want to show taps and touches as well. Once you're ready, press Start Recording. We have the countdown, we can skip it as well. And there we go. Now we are recording. We have some additional tools that can be hidden. They are not visible after the recording is done. So in the video they will not be shown. You can start drawing, you can toggle the front camera, you can pause, and you can completely stop the recording. Once you are done, you should be able to see a notification that the video was saved. And you can find it, for example, in the gallery over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.